like the way you draw on paper?
Yes.
You also draw on glass.
With what?
With glass color. And then we fire. So that is permanent. It is there.
Now I tried that.
Hmm? It's there forever. You see, when you see in a church, you see they have the pictures of Jesus and everything.
Yes.
So those pictures of Jesus are drawn and fired.
And over the outside.
Huh? Yeah, so like that one outside. What you can do with glass, you can actually work on your piece as you carry on. You decide I'm doing this with glass.